Is this burnout? I'm drawing a blank, no ideas is coming to my brain, and I have to post today. And in this video, we're going to test out how good AI really is, going from creator's block, writer's block, to a fully polished video, and you're going to determine if it's good enough to even post. So first, I need a content idea. The way my ADHD is set up, I can spend hours scrolling for what we call inspiration. So first step is to open ChatGPT to see what ideas it can give me. I told ChatGPT, who am I, who's my audience, and what was really bothering me. And the results? It made me feel like it was doable. So it told me the topic, the hook, the content, and even the format. Let me grab and record on my phone because I'm seeing more and more creators just post videos from their phone, barely edited. ChatGPT gave me a good foundation, but it wasn't strong enough, so I'm gonna combine two ideas and just put my own swag to it. Okay, here's the raw video of it. I gotta trim it up a little bit, but I think it's good to post. They lie to you. AI is not here to replace you. It's actually here to assist you. So those times that I'm very burnt out, I use 3 tools. One is going to be ChatGPT to help me think of content ideas. The second one is going to be Submagic to assist me in editing my videos so they can stand out. And the third one is going to be Notion to take those ideas and put them in a central location so I never run out of or maybe not. I started scrolling again, and of course I saw really dope content that was extremely edited. Cue the overthinking. I swear the algorithm be hearing me because then videos started popping up that shut down my overthinking. It kept talking about a specific tool.
This AI tool will automatically add B-roll to your videos with one click. Yes, you heard that right, and it's really, really good. Go to the website submagic.co, upload your video.
It doesn't hurt to try because at this point, it was starting to get late and I still haven't posted. So let me open up this tool called Submagic. So first I gotta trim it, then I gotta remove all the bad takes. Going to be Notion, so it takes those ideas that ChatGPT gave me and put it in a central location so I never run out of ideas. Then I gotta add B-roll and remove the ones that I don't necessarily like. Then I gotta add some magic zooms. This is gonna be ChatGPT to help me think of content ideas. The second one is going to pick a title for it. Figure out the caption style that I like. They lie to you. AI is not here to replace you. It's actually here to assist you. And then hit export. So before I show you, I need your honest opinion, 1 to 10. Is this going to be postable? Remember, I didn't have a single idea. I was in a huge creative slump. So let me show you what it looks like. They lie to you. AI is not here to replace you. It's actually here to assist you. So those times that I'm very burnt out, I use 3 tools. One is going to be ChatGPT to help me think of content ideas. The second one is going to be Submagic to assist me in editing my videos so they can stand out. And the third one is going to be Notion to take those ideas and put them in a central location so I never run out of ideas. If you're worried about being replaced, you weren't supposed to be a creator in the first place because this is only supposed to help you, not hurt you. So from 1 to 10, what do you think? If it's a 6 and above, I got the link in the description plus a QR code is about to pop up. And then if you are in a creative slump, if you're burnt out as well, I got another video for you to help you out.